Hey guys, sorry I wasn't keeping up with the weekly videos. It's been raining. Okay, so I got the new cover for the bed of the truck. I actually really like this look a lot better than the camper. It's called a Tonno Pro. It's foldable, so it's really cool. This cover makes it look really sleek and really good. Only downsides about it, if you have like a bed cover, like which I do, like I get little gaps because of the bed cover is uneven. They give you this little foam shit that you can fill it in with. I might do that later. But yeah, so how this works, it's really simple. All you have is this little latch here. Undo the latch, take it off from underneath. If I can do this one-handed, twist it like that, pull out. Same thing on this side, pull out. So what you do, so that's done. And what you do is you lock these into place so they don't puncture the vinyl. It's vinyl, it actually works very well. I'm actually really pumped off of this. So then you can fold it. And then you can clip it. Boom, and it clips. Only downside about with this one is that you can't flip it up against the glass. That's okay. You can always just take it off. Or what I could do is I could flip it up against the glass and I can ratchet strap it here if I have something really big, which I don't expect to have. So, yeah. And then this right here, it clamps right there on the front on both sides, and it seals. So it clamps and it seals right there. So yeah. But yeah, that on eBay was like $290. It came with a cleaning kit for the vinyl, and then it also came with gloves and this little light that doesn't work. I don't mind. The little LED light, it literally doesn't shut off. Like, you connect it and it just works. Hit the button, it doesn't turn off. But yeah, I'm actually really pumped off of that because now I can use like the full bed, and I can close it, I can take it off very easily. Like, you can't take the fucking camper off. I can take this off by myself. And it keeps water out of the bed. Like, this covers the whole thing. Only problem I'm having is, like, because I have the bed cover right here. If you look, like, right in there, so it's uneven. So what I can do is they give me this, like, foam shit. So what I'll probably end up doing is like sticking it to the parts of the bed that are sticking up, and we'll fix it that way. And then yeah, so you can clip it, then you unclip it, and then literally it just folds back in, and voila. And then you do the reverse. You pull this down, yada yada yada, and boom, clips in. And then you do this side, pull this down, turn it. It's so hard to do things with one hand. Okay, and then you, boom. So, yeah, that's the Tonno Pro foldable. I think it's a great deal for like $300, not even 300 bucks. And then if you get like a coupon from eBay, it was great. Like, the gaps aren't too bad. Like, if you look here, like, it's not horrible, but it's not great either. Like, it kind of bugs me, but it's not too bad. Like, it looks a lot better than the camper. It's flat, it's good, and it'll keep the rain and all that shit out. So I'm really happy with it. Oh yeah, I just got new tires mounted today. For 300 bucks, dismount, mount and balance. They're called Westlakes. They're cheap as fuck, so I was just like, fuck it. I'm hitting a drift event. So yeah, there's going to be footage of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the review of the Tonno Pro. I really suggest getting this. I know it's my first day. If you guys have any questions, like, let me know. I actually like the quality. It's actually not bad. Like, it doesn't... It's a nice vinyl piece. It can supposedly hold up to 300 pounds across the whole thing. I wouldn't put that to the test, but like, for how cheap this is, I'm actually really pumped because it actually fits my truck very well, lines up really well, and I'm actually very pumped off of this. So yeah, guys, I got a couple more things that are coming in too. I got the Bully lock coming in so I can lock my bed and other stuff like that. So peace, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.